Welcome to the Car Collective, and today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury flagships of the future, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of status, innovation, and next-level comfort. For decades, the S-Class has set the benchmark in the luxury sedan world, and with the 2026 model, Mercedes has decided to push that bar even higher. First off, the design. Mercedes hasn't gone for wild changes here, but they've definitely refined and modernized the exterior. The front fascia now features a sleeker, more aerodynamic grille, flanked by futuristic LED headlights that adapt to traffic patterns in real time. The body lines are smoother, more sculpted, and if you thought the 2023 version was elegant, the 2026 S-Class takes elegance and injects it with pure sophistication. It rides on newly designed aero-optimized wheels that not only look sharp, but also help reduce drag. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. Mercedes is offering multiple powertrain options, including a hybrid variant and an all-new plug-in hybrid S580e that combines a powerful inline-six engine with an electric motor. This means you can cruise in silent electric mode for your daily commute, and then unleash serious power when you hit the open road. Oh, and did I mention it can do 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds depending on the variant? That's not just luxury, that's luxury with a punch. Inside, the 2026 S-Class is nothing short of a tech sanctuary. The massive OLED central display now floats seamlessly into the dashboard, paired with a customizable digital instrument cluster. Mercedes' latest MBUX system is smarter, faster, and even more intuitive. And yes, it still supports gesture controls and "Hey Mercedes" voice commands. Rear passengers are treated like royalty with reclining executive seats, individual entertainment screens, and even an optional fridge between the seats. Soundproofing has reached a new level. This car is quieter than ever, even at high speeds. And the Burmester 4D surround sound system? It doesn't just play music, it immerses you in it. The ambient lighting now reacts to your driving mode, and even to your mood, changing tones based on what's happening inside the cabin. Safety, as always, is a huge focus. Expect next-gen driver assistance systems, including near-autonomous driving on highways, active lane change assist, and predictive crash avoidance using AI-fed data. So, who is the 2026 S-Class for? It's for the individual who demands the absolute best, not just in how they drive, but in how they live. It's the car that says you've arrived, without ever needing to say a word. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because the Car Collective is bringing you the future of driving, one luxury machine at a time.